Good morning. We're at 225 College Avenue in Anderson, Indiana. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. So we're in Anderson today. Wanted to take a look at some of the homes that are around here. There's activity, different type of investment potential that's here than what you're going to see in the downtown or the nearer areas in Indianapolis. So the videos we'll show for you today will be all in Anderson. And if you want more information about the city of Anderson and everything, certainly give us a call. This property is really interesting because it's very large. It's currently configured more like a business than a residence, but certainly could be converted. There are lots of living spaces, lots of rooms that would be used as potentially as bedrooms, up to 5, maybe even 6 or 7. There's a couple of bathrooms, a little kitchenette area, but there's not a functioning kitchen set up right now. It is wired for internet throughout, so it's certainly set up as a business. We'll go in through the side here. So this would be like what was an entrance from a business, right? Little reception offices, etc. Nice area. Again, tall ceilings, big open area. And here is furnace number 1 for this portion of the house. But again, very solid structure. All right, as we walk over here, here's your utility closet, again, showing all the networking and stuff that's set up for a business. So we go into one of 2, great rooms that are in here. Large rooms. Closet spaces, etc. Nice fireplace. And then through this area, nice big bay window, external door, and a 1-car garage. So this property has a 1-car garage and then several parking spots. So it certainly could function as a multi-resident. You wouldn't call it a multi-unit property, probably. Here's furnace number 2. But with its really close proximity to Anderson University, having some sort of student leases by the room would be a fantastic revenue generator. And at $150,000 for the entire property, with some minimal construction on this, I think we're probably okay with that. All right, so here's bathroom number 1. This one is a full bathroom. It's got your tub, toilet, and sink already taken care of. So again, resurfacing potentially if you wanted to, but a lot of this is really rent ready, with the exception of maybe a couple of building in some closets here and there. Here's a bedroom. Structure wise, again, it's very solid. We're on the slab here for the most part. I think the extension over there might be more of a pier and beam type construction. Here's another room that currently doesn't have a closet in it, but certainly over here could easily put one, have it more function as a bedroom. Nice closet there, or nice fireplace there. Here's the second bathroom. So it's kind of divided up. In this portion of it is a tub and shower. And then in this portion of it are your sink and toilet, double sink, etc. So, completely functional the way it is, or maybe some creative stuff and combining it into, one room. All right, here's another room back here, already set up as a, with closets that would function well. And then a third one, or an additional one with a third fireplace in here. Now this one doesn't have a closet built in, but space over here, anywhere over here. Certainly, again, good opportunities to create stuff as a bedroom. So the income potential for this property is pretty high, very diverse. It's a little bit more, certainly more complicated, not a little bit more of a challenge than your traditional rentals, because you're going to have multiple contracts if you did it that way. Or again, it's already set up as a business. And that could be something that's works well for generating revenue. So let us know if you have any questions on this one. And we'll do a little bit more investigation for you, get some more background on it. But real interesting opportunity, certainly at the price range of $150,000 with the potential for 5 to 6 bedrooms right in this close proximity to the downtown area of Anderson and the university. Thanks a lot.